Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Good Loving. The song is Good Loving, the artist is BJ the Chicago Kid, and the choreography is SWIRL, JETERBUG, and LL Diva. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, watch till the end and I'll post a video. And here we go.
Just a phase, I'll make you wanna have a taste. Or just a smile that drives you crazy for a while. Then I told you there's nothing wrong with me, yeah, loving you. To me, you'll never be wrong. If the love is true, oh baby, oh. So it's good in the morning, sweet breeze in the summertime, feeling your sweet face, all made of next time. Midnight, good sleep come morning light. Ain't worried about nothing, baby. Just get good love, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just get good love, yeah. Yeah, just get good love, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just get good love, yeah. Of course, always mine. Reminds me of the space and line. And if you went back in time, she still would be fine. Even if this was 1980, oh baby, there's nothing wrong with me and loving you. To me, can never be wrong. If the love is true, oh baby, oh. So it's good in the morning, sweet breeze in the summertime, feeling your sweet face, all made of next time. Midnight, good sleep come morning light. Ain't worried about nothing, baby. Just get good love, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just get good love, yeah. Yeah, just get good love, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just get good love, yeah.
And there you go, Good Loving. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.